Today we will see activity 1.7 in lesson 1 class 10 science CBSE. In this activity they are given, take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at the base and fit the rubber stoppers in these holes, insert carbon rods in this rubber stoppers. So what is taken in the activity is materials taken is materials required is you have to take carbon electrodes 2 in number, that means 2 numbers you have to take, and water, then dilute sulfuric acid, then battery and connecting wire. These are the materials required for this activity. Connecting wire, and you need 2 test tubes to collect the gases which is released during this activity. What is actually happening is you are taking a plastic mug and you are inserting 2 holes. Through this holes one electrode is fitted and another holes one more carbon electrode is fitted, and these 2 are connected to a battery, and upside down you are inserting 2 test tubes. This mug is taken with the water, the entire mug is filled with the water, so that some of the water will be present inside the test tube also, right. And this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery. That means this is acting as the anode. Both are carbon rods, but one is acting as the anode and another one is acting as the cathode. The main thing is here in this we are using dilute sulfuric acid. What is the role of dilute sulfuric acid? Water we are taking large in amount. What is the role of dilute sulfuric acid? By using dilute sulfuric acid only, water becomes a good conductor. Water becomes a good conductor because this sulfuric acid is able to produce ions, because it is producing ions in the water molecules, producing ions, that is H plus and OH minus. Water is having H plus and OH minus ions. So without sulfuric acid water is a bad conductor. So with the help of sulfuric acid only we are conducting this experiment. When electricity is passed at the anode you can see bubbles of gases will be released, So bubbles indicate the gas is released in the test tube, okay. And this bubbles of gases, when it is moving up, slowly it will occupying the space which is present, empty space in the test tube it will be occupying. Then what will happen, more and gas will be released and water level will be decreased. Slowly that water level will be decreased down, it will be decreasing. So what is happening here, so this is the electrode, right. So when the gas, more and more bubbles are released, the water level slowly comes down, the water level which is slowly comes down. When the water level comes, means that more and more gas is collected in the test tubes. What is the gas collected in the anode is, anode we are getting oxygen gas is collected at the anode, Why oxygen gas is collected means, because O2 minus, anode is positive, there is an opposite attraction, positive and negative, there is an attraction. So oxygen gas will be collected at the anode, and at the cathode the other gas, that is hydrogen gas will be collected, hydrogen gas is collected at the cathode. And next thing, what is the observation, they will ask in CBSE, write any 2 observations. So what is actual observation in this experiment is, here the water level is very low in the case of a cathode, this is a cathode where hydrogen gas is collected, and here in this case anode oxygen gas is collected. You can see more amount of space is there, that means more amount of gas is occupied for the cathode test tube. Cathode where the test tube is inserted. That means hydrogen gas will be more collection. Hydrogen gas collected more. Who is collected more? Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is collected more compared to oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is less. Why it is less means here in the water molecules itself, oxygen is 2 parts and hydrogen is 2 parts and oxygen is 1 part. So in the water molecule itself, hydrogen is more in quantity, so more of hydrogen gas is collected compared to oxygen gas. So in this activity, the main two questions they will be asked: what is the use of dilute sulfuric acid? Dilute sulfuric acid is making the water as a good conductor, because it is very helpful in producing the ions. When the ions produced only, there will be movement towards the electrode. And next question what they are asking is, name the electrode used as an anode. So what electrode you can write? You can write it as a carbon electrodes or graphite electrodes. Graphite also you can write, both are correct only. Here when both the electrodes are carbon only, but anode, since we are connecting to the positive terminal, we will call it as an anode, and negative terminal is connected to the carbon electrode, then we will call it as a cathode. And what are the gas observed at the collected at the oxygen? Collected the anode means oxygen you have to write, and the cathode means hydrogen. So this is the end of this experiment. Thank you, children.